All right, so next we're going to be discussing some techniques for what's called downward sliding dysfunctions in the spinal cord. These are very related to disc herniations and bulges. And just to give you a little bit of anatomy breakdown so you can understand this, is if this is the dura mater or the spinal cord, at each level there's nerve roots. And when we have a disc herniation that goes underhook to the nerve roots, you're going to have problems when the spinal cord tries to go down. It's going to make contact, create irritation, and you can experience either low back problems or leg problems there. So downward sliding dysfunction. With neck flexion, as you notice, it'll pull the cord up. So usually it'll create some symptomatic relief. But if we go into a neck extension, and especially knee extension, you're going to run into a problem because it's going to try to go down and make contact with that disc herniation there. So we're going to run through some progressions on how to get better here. So the first step is we're going to flex the neck in, and again we're going to pull the cord up, which should feel good, and we're going to just hold this position. If we pass this, we're going to then move to the next step, which is again keeping the neck flexed here. We're going to move the neck while the knee is flexed. So we're going to protect the back with knee flexion and start moving from the top to help that downward sliding dysfunction. Following this, we're now going to try to extend the knee. So we're going to pull down on the cord a little bit, and if we ever hit a problem, we're going to back off and hold that angle. And now from here, we're going to continue to move the neck. So we're going to start moving the neck into flexion and extension to start seeing how the cord can move. Following this, the next step is we are now going to flex the head again, protecting the cord, but now see if we can move from the lower extremity to see if we have that full function again. So again, what you can do is you can keep going with the knee until you hit that little bit of discomfort, stop there, come back, and with time, hopefully we improve. Following this, the next step is we're going to keep the knee moving, but now we're not going to protect from the neck anymore. We're going to extend it and continue the floss with the knee. And then our last progression is what's going to be an upward seated glide. So Rory's going to sit up, and we're going to be moving from both angles, extending knee, ankle, and neck all the way up. And then everything is going to go down. So we're going to slide the cord up as we do that. Let's bring it, and then we're sliding the cord down as we do this. And once we're able to maintain this, there really shouldn't be much more of a downward sliding dysfunction anymore.